Hello, beautiful. Let's have a little chat, just you and me. Have you noticed a few changes lately? Maybe you find that carrying in all the grocery bags in one trip feels a little more challenging than it used to. Or perhaps you look in the mirror and wonder where your energy went, feeling like your metabolism has decided to take a permanent vacation. Now that we've decided to take this wonderful step together, let's talk about why this is so incredibly important for us. One of the biggest changes is that we naturally start to lose a little bit of muscle mass each year. This is a process called sarcopenia. Think of your muscles as the engine of your body. They power your metabolism and burn calories even when you're resting. When that engine gets a little smaller, your metabolism can slow down, which sometimes leads to that frustrating, gradual weight gain. This is where the magic of strength training comes in. When we challenge our muscles, we send them a powerful signal to stay strong and even grow. By preserving and building lean muscle, you are directly boosting your metabolism, turning up the dial on your body's natural furnace. But the benefits go even deeper than that, right down to your bones. When you perform exercises that put gentle stress on your bones, you stimulate the cells that build new bone. It's like making a deposit into your bone bank. Everything we do, lifting a laundry basket, getting up off the floor, requires strength. Building muscle makes all of these everyday tasks feel easier and more effortless. It's about creating a stronger, more energetic you from the inside out. You deserve to feel that good. Okay, let's get moving with our very first exercise. We're starting with the chair squat. I love this one. It's so safe and effective. It teaches you proper squat form, a key total body movement. Glutes, your bottom. Quadriceps, front of your thighs. Hamstrings, back of your thighs. Find a sturdy chair that won't slide. Stand right in front of it. Feet about shoulder width apart, toes pointing straight ahead, or slightly outward if that feels better. Stand up tall, pull your tummy in, keep your chest lifted and proud. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, hinge at the hips and bend your knees as if you'll sit down. Lower slowly until your bottom gently taps the seat. Don't plop down. Push through your heels. Engage glutes and thighs. Stand back up and squeeze your bottom at the top. That's one rep. Chair squat protects your knees and builds functional strength for everyday life. Next up, we're going to work on our upper body and core with the amazing wall push-up. So many women tell me they think they can't do a push-up, but I'm here to show you that you absolutely can. By using a wall, we take the pressure off your wrists and shoulders. Stand a little more than arm's length away. Palms slightly wider than shoulders, and keep a straight line from head to heels. Take a breath in and lower your chest toward the wall. Try to keep your elbows from flaring. Let them point slightly back and down. Move as one solid unit. Go only as far as comfortable. When your face is a few inches from the wall, exhale and press firmly back until your arms are straight. That's one rep. This builds upper body tone, improves posture, and is kind to your joints. You are building powerful, beautiful arms. Well done. Small controlled reps beat sloppy big ones every time. It's time to lie down for this next one. We're going to do the glute bridge. Sitting makes our glutes sleepy. This exercise is the perfect antidote. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet hip-width apart, fingertips near your heels. Arms by your sides, palms down. On an exhale, press through your heels and squeeze your glutes to lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze at the top, hold 1 second, then inhale and lower with control, one vertebra at a time. Don't just let them drop. This targets glutes and hamstrings without straining your back or knees. Fantastic for preventing lower back pain. You're building your body's foundation. Strong glutes mean better stability and more power in daily life. Let's stand up and work on our back. This is the bent over row, great for posture and back strength. We tend to round forward as we age. This move directly counteracts that. You don't need fancy dumbbells. 2 full water bottles or cans work perfectly. Stand feet shoulder width, hinge forward from your hips, keeping a flat back. Lower torso to about 45 degrees. Let the weights hang, then exhale and pull by squeezing your shoulder blades together. Drive the elbows straight back toward the ceiling. Hands should finish near the bottom of your rib cage. Lower with control. No swinging. The movement should come from your back muscles. This strengthens the postural muscles, pulls your shoulders back, opens your chest, and helps you stand taller and more confidently. You are building a strong, resilient back. Our final exercise is a fantastic one called the bird dog. Come into tabletop, hands under shoulders, knees under hips, Spread your fingers, keep your back flat like a sturdy table, and draw your belly button in to engage your core. Breathe out and extend your right arm forward while extending your left leg back. Make one straight line fingertip to heel. Keep hips and shoulders square. Imagine a glass of water on your lower back. Don't spill it. Hold for a breath or two, then inhale and slowly return to tabletop with control. That's 1 rep. Now switch sides. Extend left arm and right leg. Don't lift higher. Extend longer while keeping the torso still. This trains your brain and body to work together, improving coordination and deep core stability from the inside out. Nice work. That stability will make everything else safer and more effective. You did it! You've learned 5 foundational exercises to build a stronger, more vibrant you. Here is your simple starter plan. Your goal: chair squat, 10 repetitions. Wall push-up, 10 repetitions. Glute bridge, 10 repetitions. Bent over row, 10 repetitions. Bird dog, 10 repetitions on each side. Complete all 5 exercises one after the other. That's 1 circuit. Take a 1 to 2 minute break, then repeat the circuit 1 more time for 2 circuits total. As you get stronger, increase reps to 12 or 15, or add a 3rd circuit. Aim to do this routine 3 times per week on non-consecutive days. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Rest between sessions so muscles rebuild. Remember, today is your day 1. Be patient and kind to yourself. You are worth it. This is the beginning of a beautiful new relationship with your body. Now go on and get started. You've got this. See? Starting your strength journey is that simple. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to Lose Zone for more realistic fitness advice. And let me know in the comments which exercise you're going to try first. You can do it. I know you can.